Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of tuning in, you are welcome to Ayi's Kitchen. Thank you for tuning in. God bless you. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the notification button. Thank you very much. God bless you. For those that have already subscribed to my YouTube channel, I say thank you. I appreciate you. I thank you for your support. Today, I will be showing you how I make my green smoothie. These are the recipes I will be using for my green smoothie. I will be using parsley for my green smoothie. As you all know, parsley has a lot of health benefits. Parsley is rich in vitamin A, B, and C. It helps fight against infection. It prevents one for bad breath. As you all know, spinach is very good for the body. It helps prevent cancer. It helps lower high blood pressure, strengthen immune system. Cucumber is 95% water. It regulates body temperature. Avocado has a lot of health benefits. It boosts fertility. It helps to prevent cancer, lower risk of depression, improve digestion. Maca powder is an organic vegetable. It boosts your energy and protects skin from sun damage. Banana has a lot of health benefits too. Banana helps the brain to grow very well and it reduces depression. Chai seed is a plant-based protein. Do you all know ginger and lemon is good when one has flu, cold, and runny nose? Almond milk is low in sugar, rich in vitamin D and E. First, I will start by pouring my almond milk inside my blender. Next, my parsley. My spinach. Cucumber. Avocado. Ginger. Lemon. Chai seed. My banana. Maca powder. I'll cover it to blend. This is how my green smoothie looks like. If you like this video, support me by pressing like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the notification button. So whenever I upload new video, you will be notified. Thank you for tuning in. God bless you. See you on my next video. Bye. I love you.